Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to create this gorgeous tea light holder which is made using paper quilling strip with the filigree work, and the color combination is very festive, very vibrant. You can decorate your doors or you can use this as a rangoli design in front of the puja ghar, and I will show you all the steps how to create this beautiful and intricate quilling work. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this cardboard piece or mound board piece which measures 8 by 8 centimeters, and I am going to wrap yellow color cardstock around this. So the yellow base is completely ready. Burnish it very well from all the sides to create the crisp corners, and similarly I have prepared one more piece which is 6.5 by 6.5 centimeters and wrapped it using red color paper. Now I am just joining both the pieces together, and the red piece I am sticking in a diamond shape on yellow cardstock. Then here I am taking the steel light holder and wrapping total 5 green color 3mm strips around this to create one ring. I am using the steel light holder only because we need to fix it when the ring will be ready. So it should be in the size of the tea light holder only. So the ring is ready, secured the end and just putting the tea light for checking it's perfect. Now taking the ring again, adding glue in the bottom part of this and sticking it on green color cardstock. Like this. Then it's dried, and I'm just trimming the excess paper around this. And then sticking it exactly in the center of the red piece. And putting the tea light holder back, and this is done, looking very beautiful. Then I am just wrapping stone chain or diamond chain on this green ring. like this. Then to start with first quilling pattern, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have prepared some more. So taking back the Tealight holder, and around the green ring I am adding these yellow tight coils. And this is done, looking very pretty. Then I am starting with the next shapes. For this I am taking 4 1/4 strip of white color, just gathering all strip together, folding it from center and twisting it in one direction using pointed tweezer to create the scroll. Just open the scroll like this, cut the excess strip from bottom, level it up and secure it using glue. So the scroll is ready. Similarly prepared some more. Now for the next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color, 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one tight teardrop shape like this. Now the maroon tight coil is made using half strip of maroon. This tight coil is made using 1/4 strip of red and this tight coil is made using 1/4 strip of white color. So the shapes are ready. Now taking back the Tealight holder, and I will start adding these pattern in the corner to decorate this. Similarly, I am going to stick on the remaining parts. So this is done. Now I'm just adding these white color diamonds on top of the scroll. It will enhance the beauty of this for sure. Like this. Then I am starting with the next layer of the design. So for this I have already prepared some green color scrolls like the white one. So first sticking the green scrolls. Then exactly in the center I am adding this teardrop shape, which is made using half strip of light red color and half strip of maroon color. This is the tight teardrop dome. On both the sides of this I am adding light green color 1/4 strip tight coils, and in the center adding 1/4 strip dark green color tight coil. Then adding red color tight coil between the scrolls, which is made using 1/4 strips. And in both the corners I am adding yellow color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strip of yellow color. And then top of these white tight coils I am adding some red color stones just to balance the colors. And with a similar method I have done with the decoration for remaining corners. Now I'm just wrapping one red color strip around the edge of this design just for the finishing look. and it will look like this. So pretty. Then for the next shape, I am taking one strip of maroon color and wrapping it around the bottle. This is the glue bottle, and making one ring again. Then just pinching in one corner and making the drop shape ring like this. Then taking one maroon color cardstock and sticking the ring on top of the cardstock. In the center I am adding this tight coil, which is made using 1/4 strip of yellow, half strip of red and half strip of maroon color. And then on both the sides I am adding scrolls again. For this I took 4 1/4 strip of white and again making the same style of scroll. Then on top of this I am adding this small tight coil, which is made using 1/8 strip of yellow, and then on top of this I am adding green color half strip tight coil. And the beautiful shape is ready. Allow it to dry. So it's dried and I have just cut the excess maroon paper around the design. Now I am going to stick this on this side to add the next layer. On both sides of this I am adding these maroon color tight coils, which are made using 1/8 strip of maroon color. Then adding these green tight coils, which are made using half strip of light green and half strip of dark green. And then adding 2 red color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strips. Similarly, I am going to add the same pattern on remaining sides. And the beautiful Tealight holder pattern is ready. Just to give the support to the outer side shapes, I have added one yellow color cardstock from back side, which is 9 by 9 centimeters. And the Tealight holder is completely ready. Now I am just putting my golden color holder back to the circle and putting the battery operated Tealight into this. Since this is the paper made, so I would suggest to use battery operated Tealight only. And it's looking very gorgeous and amazing. You can create in different color combinations. You can also create 4 or 6 to create the rangoli shape. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.